Alright, let's begin with the simplest technique in crochet called the slip knot. It's called that because the yarn actually slips through the knot by adjusting the loop on the hook. A slip knot is used to attach the yarn to the hook, and in our case it will become the foundation for the first round of stitches. Now let me demonstrate how the slip knot is made. First, find the yarn tail, the one that is cut, and the working yarn, the one attached to the yarn ball. Grab the working yarn and place it over the yarn tail. Pinch the spot where they intersect. Now bring the working yarn beneath this loop. Pick it up and pull it out of the loop. Hold both the yarn tail and the working yarn. Pull on the loop until the knot tightens. Your slip knot is complete. Now let's test it. Pinch the knot and pull the working yarn. If the loop above the knot adjusts, your slip knot is correct. I'll see you in the next step.